Hey guys, how's it going? Right, so we thought about recording a quick video for you because one of the things that I came across when purchased the wing and went out with it is that those two see-through materials that you have right in the middle of the wing, which obviously is super helpful because you can see what is happening behind the wing as you're on it, are quite easy to break. Like when I was putting the wing back to the bag that was provided by Gong, which was obviously really good, I noticed that there is, if I don't look after it, there is a chance that that they break. Because if you bend them, you can basically damage them, and that's quite obvious when you actually start sort of touching the material and then put it back. So with that in mind, I actually then went and did a bit of a research and found one really useful tutorial. I can't remember who did it, and then tested a few times, and I thought, brilliant, that's the solution. And there's not much out there that kind of tells you how to do it, so I thought sort of adding on another one would only do favours to our souls so that we don't damage it before going out on the water. So the tip is that obviously you deflate the air when you put it down, and then you start from one side and you kind of start rolling it instead of putting them in pieces. So when you roll, that sort of see-through material doesn't bend. The way how you do it is that you do one side first, and then you roll it from the other side, so that both of those sides that have that glassy kind of looking material are here. And then in order to fit it in the bag, you bend it here right before and after where the material is located. And then you got the leash with the bag that you get from Gong, which is actually really cool, really good material as well. I think we did a bit a review earlier on. All that you need to do is just fit in the bag, and it literally fits perfectly. I mean, there is a bit of an effort of just making sure that everything is inside, but super easy, and voila! None of these see-through material is now bended, and clearly if you want to make sure that none of it gets damaged and you lose your seasons, or not necessarily places things can be fixed easily, and there we go. So that's all ready to go. Hopefully you have found the video useful, and if you liked it, we will be trying to share more content and sort of ways on how to make things easier, simpler, and as we are learning how to wing it on that channel. So make sure that you hit that subscribe button, and thank you so much for watching today's video, and I'll see you in the water soon with the other guys that are involved in the 3 Generation Squad. So not only that. See you now.